Welcome to Dice Academy, my dear students. Today we will take a small class in mathematics. That is, the topic name is BODMAS. It is there in all competitive examinations like ISET, RRB, CAT, MAT, TSPSC, APPSC. In all examination, you will get definitely two questions from this BODMAS topic. This is the basic simplification questions. Compulsory you will get two questions in all competitive examinations. So generally see, when you do mathematics, compulsory you have to follow some rule. Without rule, you can't get the answers correctly. And showing a small example for you. If you take the first problem, 25 plus 15 divided by 5 is equal to dash. If I will do from right hand, left hand side, I am getting the answer as 25 plus 15, 40, 40 divided by 5, 8. If I am doing from the right hand side, 15 divided by 5, the value is 3, 25 plus 3, 28. I am getting two answers. If I am doing from the left hand side and right hand side, I get two answers. But in mathematics, you will not get two answers. If you get two answers, complete mathematics is cancelled. Complete mathematics will be cancelled. So you have to get only one answer. So that's why compulsory you have to follow some rule. That rule we can call it as BODMAS. What is the full form of BODMAS? BODMAS means B means bracket, that is the symbol. O means off, this is the symbol. Off means nothing but multiplication only. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. From the top to bottom, you have to follow the order. If you get if you in the given problem, you have to first give the priority for bracket. If bracket is not there, go for off. If off is not there, go for division. If division is not there, go for multiplication. If division is not there, go for addition. Last subtraction. So we have to follow compulsory this rule. From top to bottom, you have to follow the rule. From top to bottom, you have to follow the rule. So now go for the first problem. 25 plus 15 divided by 5. Here the operators are plus and division. Plus and division are operators. According to the order, first priority division, next go for the plus. So now first step is 25. I am doing first priority for division because the order division next plus. 25 plus 15, the value is 3. In the second step, only one operator. 25 plus 3, the answer is 28. So 28 is the correct answer and 8 is the wrong answer. So this is the model of BODMAS. You can do all the problems based on this method only. This is a small chapter. You can get within the 15 to 20 minutes this chapter will be over. Now we go for the second problem. Right now this problem first one. Second problem. See the second problem. Now here the operators are division plus into. We have to give the priority for division, next into, next plus. So in this problem, first priority will be division. 36 divided by 3, the value is 12. So the remaining as it is. I am giving first step as division priority. In the second step, we have plus and into is there. The priority goes to into. So that's a 12 into 4. What is the 12 into 4? 48. Last step, 12 plus 48, the value is 60 is the correct answer. 60 is the correct answer. 60 is the correct answer. Now go for the third problem. Third problem. In the third problem, we have the operators are minus, division, plus, into. So according to this condition, we have to do the priority for division only. Top priority division. So in the first step, 30 minus 4 divided by 2, the value is 2 plus the remaining as is 9 into 2. This is the first step. I have taken divided. First step is division. Now in the second step, now the operators are minus, plus, into. In these three operators, into is the first one, top priority. That's why 30 minus 2 plus 9 into 7, 63. Now next go for the top priority plus 30 plus 63. 30 plus 63, the value is 93 minus 2. So last one 93 minus 2, the value is 91 is the correct answer. 91 is the correct answer. This is the third problem. Go for fourth problem. Fourth problem. Now go for the fourth problem. Same order. Now tell me what are the operators? Plus, into, minus, division. So here we can go for the once again the priority is division only. In the first step, 15 plus 3 to 5 minus 36 divided by 9, the value is 4. This is the first step. I am going priority for division. Then the second step, now the operators are plus, into, minus. We have to do the priority for into. So that's why 15 plus 15 minus 4. Next step, we have plus and minus there. First priority plus. 15 plus 15, 30 minus 4. So the answer is 26 is the answer. Just write down, we can go for the fourth problem. Now come to the fifth problem. 60 of 3 divided by 6 plus 2 of 5 minus 5 is equal to dash. 60 of 3 divided by 6 plus 2 of 5 minus 5 is equal to dash. Here we have a new operator of is there. Of means nothing but into only. So we have to do the priority first of only. But here is there, here is there. We can operate both sides. Operate one at a time the both operators. At a time both operators. The first step. Operate off on both sides and on both times at a time. Both at a time. 60 of 3 of means nothing but into 60 into 3. The value is 180 divided by 6 plus 2 into 5. The value is 10 minus 5 as this. This is the first step. So I am operating the off both sides, both at a time. Both at a time. Now this is the first step. Second step, in the second step the operators are division plus minus. The priority is division. 180 divided by 6, the value is 30 plus 10 minus 5. Now the next step is 30 plus 10, 40 minus 5. The value is, the required answer is 35. 40 minus 5, 35 is the required answer. Take 1 minute time to write on this one. You can go for the next problem. Now go for the sixth problem. Bracket of 4 plus 5 of 3 divided by 9 is equal to dash. Bracket of 4 plus 5 of 3 divided by 9 is equal to dash. In this problem, the first priority goes to bracket. First priority goes to bracket. Bracket means you have to do the operation in the bracket inner side. In the bracket means what is the operation? 4 plus. You have to open this bracket means we have to do this operation. 4 plus 5 how much? 9. When 9 is there, this bracket will be opened. So first step is 9 of 3 divided by 9. This is the first step. So we have to open the bracket means we have to do the operation inside the bracket. That is 4 plus 5 9. When the bracket is opened, of 3 divided. This is the first step. Now go for the second step. Of is there, division is there. First priority goes to of, next one is division. So 9 of 3. Of means multiplication. 9 into 3. How much? 27 divided by 9. So 27 divided by 9, the value is 3. 27 divided by 9, the value is 3. So the required answer is 3 is the answer. So write down this one, you can go for the seventh problem. Now go for the seventh problem. 1 plus bracket of 1 minus bracket of 1 plus bracket of 1 minus bracket of 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Bracket. See, observe the brackets, very important. The brackets are very important. Here also you are getting one bracket. The brackets are very important. So here all brackets only. How to do this problem? So if all are brackets only, first priority goes to inner bracket. First priority, this is the main bracket, this is the sub bracket, this is the another sub bracket, this is the inner bracket. First we have to open the inner bracket. Inner bracket means this is the most inner bracket. This is the main bracket, this is the sub bracket, this is another sub bracket, this is the inner bracket. Now in the inner bracket, what is there? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Write down here 2. This bracket is open. Next we have to go for this bracket. This bracket. In this bracket, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, how much? 1 minus 2, the value is minus 1. This bracket is also open. This bracket. Now we have to go for this bracket. This bracket. 1 plus half minus 1. Plus into minus minus 1. 1 minus 1 how much? 1 minus 1. Plus into minus minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. Write down here 0. This bracket is also over. Next one, main bracket. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, the value is 1. At last 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, the value is 2. So the final answer is 2 is the right answer. Once again I am telling you this problem. See here. When all the brackets are given, first of all we have to go, they give the priority for inner bracket. This is the inner bracket. Inner bracket. inner bracket, 1 plus 1, the value is 2. Next inner bracket is this one, the inner bracket, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, the value is minus 1. Next, this is the inner bracket, 1 minus plus of minus. Plus of minus 1 is minus only, 1 minus 1, the value is 0. Next, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, the value is 1. 1 plus 1, the 1 plus 1, the value is 2. 1 plus 1, the value is 2. This is the second problem. Write down this one, you can go for the 8th problem. Come to the 8th problem. Again,